guys, welcome to my art channel. So today I'll be doing a watercolor painting and I'll be painting succulents, and I'll definitely show you the palette that I'm using and all the paintbrushes and where you can find them. So I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, welcome to today's time-lapse painting. So here, to start this piece off, I first illustrated my composition, my succulent garden, and then I go in and I actually work mostly dark to light when I do watercolors, just to hash out the line work, and then I can bleed the dark color back out. I think a lot of people say work light to dark, but I think you can just do whatever works for you. And I just do this intuitively. And then I do section by section, and this way I can kind of see my progress and yeah, get excited about the piece. So I then went in with my pencil to work in the extra details and working with the shadows and all the textures of the succulents. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more art videos. Bye!